Welcome for yet another broadcast on Lango News Channel, your trusted source of information. Now, today's security was heightened in Lira City after angry locals threatened to demonstrate against the shooting to death of one former youth councillor of a former radio division. This is Dickens Odongo by a watchman working for Narod's supermarket that is located on Ongora Road in Lira City. James Okello, a Boda rider, said Dickens Odongo was shot by one Moses Owuni under unclear circumstances, since at the time of the shooting, the deceased was just having a conversation at a border stage with his fellow riders. The chairperson, Lira City West Division Border Riders Association, Juma Ongora, who witnessed the incident, said they are still shocked over what compelled Owuni to shoot Odongo since the duo was engaged in a formal conversation at that time.
Icha dong eno be la ngira unutia nyuta chalori himere. So ando ta kwai ni now they can wai ko atie ko pyo ko ada ta du ko no neno giro. So icha do ya me ko ya member like do che ku cho hera awun du ka ngu chi ta ta lo he na no ngo diken tia rete. Ibe na ha na chika la ha chika ngo rai. Lo do pero ko bu no.
Na balle ko.
Wi tiu balle icha lo na do tie nen ba ngar to ka me to ko ko. Pi si de moti me pienen ena to amu tie lu mu Odongo diken. Kera chika lo mo lu no pe mo si. They are also friends.
Yes.
Da obero gene. Ka dong tinga to ka mu lo me pera nga mu dong ngato ro bere na chika ni. Na acha ni ha tie pe ni di wia ngo ti mere. Ba na pe wo. Kada ko poru tie nang binu mi ta mere. No kada cha o ti ko ti chere ko. Me garden supermarket. Ya dan te bi do ga mu pin wai kwen. Borwa ka no.
Yes.
So men nyurni uberu ngata me he has no issues. Ke one jo mengo. Message. So do ko poru me tie wo tie yin ordering. A chker ni chiel Odongo di ken ko cha kwa yulangi. Wan ko no po mi run ko pateni. Eta teni me ko pe na ko bi unu. Ko ba me pe mara ka na hanin chai pien to di ken ni. Rubu wi jo duchu ngato ro bi ni chai. Na hi me na chker nga ko pi. Pe da mara i me ne di ken dan po mara ka chai. Do we hunu chek ti chere. We hunu jo amenen kita nen chia mana ko ke ni jo bi no bi konyo wa we hunu jo ne dong wa.
The councillor of Barome Ward, Martin Onyanga, said Odongo Dickens was a business person who used to have his savings or daily savings at the border group with his fellow border riders. He condemned the murder of Odongo and called on security to ensure that Moses Owuni, who is accused of his murder, is followed up with the long arm of the law. Frederick Doi, the chairman, Chamber of Commerce in Lira, while speaking on Voice of Lango FM this morning, asked the public to use their leaders to address any grievances that may have occurred in case of any misunderstanding.
So wano binu kan me binu kobu kopate teni binu timu research cha me toni atoye the immediate neighbor me uchelo ono tikono da research no binu mahe baskari da beda word gida gino beda no giti meeting ite supermarket so gino beda 100% accident prayer yini morogo lo wala ni chel nga toro kere do kameto ni akob jo okay na me tikono wano tiuna kere yini tikere Pakistan representative ibod me Chamber of Commerce o tikere Indian representative ibod me Chamber of Commerce so wano ti jo ni Karachiel o ti okelo nyanga be level la malo o medonen yo me dongo Lira kan.
And by press time, the body of Dickens Odongo was conveyed to Lira Regional Referral Hospital pending postmortem. It took intervention of the police who fired tear gas to disperse the irate crowd. North Kyoga Region Police spokesperson Jimmy Patrick Okema condemned the murder and said the police had started with the investigation. Okema said the suspect will be subjected to a medical examination.
It is true, we registered the case of murder by shooting at Lira Central Police Station on the 29th of October 2024. All other processes and procedures are being followed to see that the file is compiled and sent to Resident Chief State Attorney for perusal and legal advice. However, the suspect is already in cells. He has been detained. The alleged gun used for the murder has been recovered and exhibited. This is really a very unfortunate incident. We call for calmness from the relatives and members of the public. As the police, we pledge our commitment to doing all it takes for justice to prevail for the deceased.
According to Ukema, the suspect, Opio Moses, who is also called by the residents Ouni, claimed that while shaking his gun, he accidentally discharged one bullet, which he shot Odongo Dickens on the right shoulder. On the 28th, Odongo Dickens, as usual, called on Voice of Lango Major program, and this is what he had to say on UPC Party.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
I don't manage a burro.
Why you make it down?
Apo you do Rolangi, apo you da kello tope ke kello dikone. Dickens so don't realize badanya.
Yes.
I don't manager. Bokke ye lao kan petum. Yini yao diku ingioni nyu ngo boko kwe ngo boha do nyike kanorge ken. Ara meta COVID dikoni ni kope UPC. Ara pa yu jo wa meko. Yera tia binu. Ena yera tia binu ni ngata me otia mito ni bed won kom me kole. En ben mot. Pedang dog dipu jo me kole nyu pe dipi pati me UPC. Kode tim mana yota mo beru tim ka ngatoro tu karoko. Utama ni ngato no me be dipu dut jo me beru shoko jo me beru mi jo ya e ka nori che beru mi luor ni. Kado yini ti kere mirya me jo tia ramu yeri. Akwa me ko ni won kom mamo yeri shawane. Jo me kole gwo kwiro na ber. Wano tu woro ga yera. Yimwa ni na ma binu ni njo achako donyo ko yera me yipati. Ngomi ukomuwa miel. Ngomi upero unu beru morego kunu dano no te binu me yunu kwira amenu langi dushu yigitia yom yipati dushu tia yom pati president anudo nyukere jam unoda do nyukere so de jaber na me yu yer no wot kida mere wot kere do ana meta kwa jo kola te winyu giru to go yigni shiman to be kola kunu era meta kwa gi me kubuni kita mara giti kere yikwiru gino gwogiri kwiru ko maber umiyo abera bera dima ja yero gi era pati man beru dipu wij beru dongo bok icha duju beru loen icha duju beru yete icha duju beru chicha man no be pati fa beru pata mire gine dada ona bita ko man summarizing elbis ameta kwa wane jo me pati me ko boni pe mi unu ngatoro binti ke la melo enkeru melo enyi komwa u political patu keneni gin kaka kana me bokti ye igi yu mi dujo te dongo chingi yotia gwa yotia ngimoru yotia go yokoregi noshi memero miyo yipate chabero lolo en chawa dushu mano bero tin ma UPC uriya dongana na hinu ngumanu aya kana no NRM aya kana ko na beda da NRM te utirwenyo ka yilang ameda do kom gipe ami yo lo nyorte ta ka beda pe to yipata me tia me jotia ne tia ber we uno lo en beda pe uno we una toria utina wa me ramotelo gine joisha nyim ge beda tia ba me polo wi gumaduong
Why you attack?
Thanks for following. Please subscribe and share all this content that is worth. My name is Patricia, Amne Aceng. Thanks for following Lango News channel. Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.